Once upon a time, in a small, charming village, there lived a girl named Suanna. Suanna was full of life, her laughter echoing through the streets, her dreams soaring high. She had many friends, but her best friend was a girl named Aisha. Aisha and Suanna did everything together. They played, laughed, and shared secrets. But there was one secret that Aisha held close to her heart. Aisha owned a pair of the most beautiful shoes anyone had ever seen. They were red with golden stars that seemed to twinkle whenever she moved. Suanna adored those shoes. She often dreamt of wearing them and twirling around in the sunshine. But there was a sad twist to Suanna's story. A year ago, she lost her legs in a car accident. Since then, she couldn't walk or run like she used to. She stayed inside most of the time, watching the world from her window, feeling a deep longing in her heart. One sunny afternoon, Aisha visited Suanna with a bright smile. She noticed the way Suanna's eyes sparkled whenever she talked about the shoes. Aisha decided it was time to share her secret. "Suanna," Aisha began, "do you remember how much you love my red shoes?" Suanna nodded, a wistful smile playing on her lips. "Well," Aisha continued, "these shoes are not ordinary. They are magic shoes. My grandmother gave them to me and told me they can grant one wish. I want you to have them." Suanna's eyes widened in surprise and disbelief. "But, Aisha, they are your favorite. How can you give them to me?" Aisha smiled gently. "You are my best friend, Suanna. And your happiness is more important to me. If these shoes can make your dream come true, then they belong to you." With trembling hands, Suanna took the shoes from Aisha. They felt warm and comforting. Aisha helped Suanna put them on. As soon as Suanna wore the shoes, she closed her eyes and made a wish. She wished to walk and run again, to feel the grass under her feet, and to dance in the sunshine. Suddenly, a magical glow surrounded Suanna. A soft breeze filled the room, and when Suanna opened her eyes, she couldn't believe what she saw. Her legs were back. She stood up slowly, feeling the strength return to her muscles. Tears of joy streamed down her face as she took her first steps, then twirled around in the beautiful red shoes. Aisha and Suanna danced and laughed together, their hearts overflowing with happiness. The magic shoes had granted Suanna's wish, and her life was filled with color and joy once more. From that day on, Suanna and Aisha explored the world together, their friendship growing stronger with each adventure. The red shoes became a symbol of hope and magic in their village, reminding everyone that sometimes the greatest gift we can give is the gift of friendship and a little bit of magic. And so, Suanna and Aisha lived happily, their spirits soaring high, just like their dreams.